Hey, what is going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you a quick Mac tip that most people probably already know about, but if you don't, it is a really useful tip to know. So a lot of videos you watch, and some of my videos actually, I have done screen recordings, and it's actually really simple to do a screen recording on your Mac. There's no extra software needed, and I'm going to show you how to easily record your screen. Alright, so in order to do a screen recording, every Mac is equipped with software that allows you to do this. I'm sure you've heard of it before, but if you go into your applications and go into your other folder, you will find the QuickTime Player. Now when you open up the QuickTime Player, it's going to open up a little default file finder location. And to record your screen, all you have to do is go up to the File and hit New Screen Recording. And when you do that, you'll get a little box pop up that says Screen Recording. And from here, you can either start the recording, or if you click this little drop down arrow, you can choose your microphone. You can even show mouse clicks while you are recording. Now to record the screen, all you do, click the record button, and it's going to say click to record the full screen, or drag to record part of your screen. So that's really cool. Basically what that means is if you drag, like this for example, and you hit start recording, it will only record this portion of the screen. Now to stop a recording, all you have to do is in your menu bar, you simply click the stop button. And it'll pop up with a little preview of what you just recorded, and you can play it back, of course, or you can save it to your desired location. Now not only can you use screen recording, but you can also do audio and movie recordings as well. So that is really helpful. Just to show you real quick what a full screen recording looks like, you can see that nothing is highlighted and we now have the entire screen that is going. We can hit stop and we can see our full screen. So that is just a really quick tip on how to record your screen. Make sure to leave a like on the video if you enjoyed it, and let me know if you enjoy these kind of quick tip videos. Anyways, I will see you all in the next video.